Alright, mama.
Yes.
Tell the people them where you cook.
Yes. Well, morning YouTubers. I'm doing some stuff. Jerk, roast fish. Stuff. See it? You can see the big doctor fish them.
Yeah.
Yes, doctor fish. Some big grunt Jamaican fish. Real Jamaican fish. I went to Jamaica and bring them up. Real fish them.
You know you easy man, you bring the fish
See
from
them here?
Jamaica.
Yes. Real Jamaican fish them. You know? Parrot. Also. You see it? So I'm gonna stuff them now. See the callaloo, okra, the spinach, callaloo, okra, the jerk sauce. You can see it. I already cut up the pepper, onion, tomato, scallion, garlic. See my jerk sauce. I make my jerk sauce, you know. I make me one jerk sauce, you know. Yeah, man.
We're gonna get that like jerk sauce ready for the
them,
people
man.
them, so the people can
Yeah,
get
man.
some of that done.
Yeah, man. So
Yeah,
I'm
man.
gonna
Show
do
them,
it
man.
now.
Show them
So
what you
just
working on.
like this channel now, share, touch the notice button to tell a friend, Don't forget, follow, like, share, subscribe to the channel.
people.
Right away. You get a good eating roast fish. When you eat one of these fish, you eat fish, roast fish. Okay? Real roast fish. See it? Doctor fish. Real doctor fish. Okay? See him? I'm gonna start him now. Stuff him with some callaloo.
You see that, people?
Yes. You see it? See people? Yes. Put my butter.
Put some butter on it. Yeah.
Yes. So, you see how I do it? Okay. Yes. So you get the real thing. Okay? Yes.
Show them.
Yeah, man. And you eat them fish, you eat roast fish. To the bone. Season to the bone. I have Jamaican season to the bone in there, you know.
It's a season to the bone.
Yeah, man. Now them season them I put in there, man. You see it? Yeah. See how me do it? Me carry them up, come do it, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
You see it? Stuff him.
People, no one wishing I can get one of this right now, right?
Right now.
Right, man.
So run. Don't forget, touch like, share it.
Like, share, subscribe
to the channel.
Okay. You see that? So you know now people's gonna want to give this a try now, right?
See it?
So you're home, you want to give this a try, you see the ingredients.
And they just come and just buy, yes.
And that's the fish.
Okay?
Right?
From scratch.
Put it together, you have that.
Yes. Okay?
Yeah.
Yes. So that's what I'm doing.
Yeah. So when you learn, Aunty Clair showing you how to do it.
Yes. You see? Make sure me throw oil in this and butter in there already, you know, in a season when me I do it. So I saw me do it. When a man come in carry them friend, they say, two roast fish with
I'm telling you.
Yeah, man, I saw me do it, man.
Right for years, people, personally, if mommy don't make this, they're gonna call her head and say, yo, Aunty Clair, no fish.
1, 3 fish then, man.
She have to go buy the fish and come start making this right away. I'm telling you,
me
brother.
Still buy fish, yeah, you know. But like when me go down, me care up if a real fish, make them get a good
so you
taste.
See this? This fish is from
Jamaica.
Like, this fish came from Jamaica.
You can see whole pepper, jerk seasoning in there. So when them eat, you know, they get a real taste.
A real taste,
yes.
Huh?
Yeah. Full of oil, everything already. And where you then do them, you not sell them expensive, so you not beat nobody, you know. No, we can't beat nobody, so. We just like to make everybody
bless up everybody.
Yes,
you bless up everybody.
You know, see. Make them can eat them
Yeah,
fish.
you bring this home. You bring this home now.
Yeah,
You do
people
this
buy
yourself.
most
You put
time,
this
you know,
in
and
your
just
oven.
me scare me. I come pick up
good.
2 or 3 fish, you know.
No, I
You have
know. I
2 friends
remember.
over, so you don't have no stuff on there. I say, oh yes, man, fish that has stuff all the while, man. You know see it. So me always have to have fish stuff in my fridge. You know see it.
But these don't last though, people. I don't know what last. It's just
No.
do amount where few friends can get.
Me do like say about 13, 14 I don't know. Yes, so that's good enough. So you go come Friday then say they want fish. You should have take out pea and stuff them to Puerto Rico.
No man, do what you do. I'm good for now. My thing I will do offline.
Offline.
Yeah, this is for everyone else right now we're doing. So make sure you guys subscribe to Mommy's channel, Aunty Clair.
Yes.
Subscribe to the channel. Like the video, share it to your friends, your family, let them see what's going on.
Yeah man. We have do this channel a very long time,
you know how long I've been telling Mommy, put this on YouTube, Mommy, and now we finally do it. Like me, I tell her.
Not before time, that's what I tell you all the while,
hey,
you know?
Years now. See the fish ready now? See the fish ready right here.
Yeah man. When you eat them fish, you know, you just eat one fish. You come here now, a Jamaican fish, you say, we still eat this, you know?
Yeah.
You don't see it?
You can't get nothing better than that.
No. We'll have a baby, go buy my fish. If no to.
Yeah man. Come on.
When you go to Jamaica, you know, go 2 or 3 times a day, you know, raw fish me carry up. Yeah man, you carry raw fish and fried fish. Fried fish to Philippa. She love her fried fish.
Yeah.
See them?
Right now you're getting a full lesson on how to what? Roast fish.
Yes. How to do it, you know?
So you got your fish, after you clean your fish, you season up your fish, you have a callaloo,
okra,
everything in it,
everything
stuff your
seasoned.
fish.
Yes man.
And then you know what? Yeah.
You know that your fish ready, you know? That's a pepper. Most people love them pepper on them fish, you know.
You know me love pepper.
Yes, man. It's about 4 pepper I cut up on this. Yes, onion, garlic.
Yeah, man.
Everything we cut up on it, man. We don't just do it look a small way, you know?
This is not like when you go to a local store or a certain local small thing and they do a quick fish. Quick thing. This is not a quick thing. This is a real official thing this all the time. You know what I mean?
See that say in one fish to me to get because Omar say what do you mean a pass over with Philippa live? And say just a pass your house come back. And Omar say, you know say
everybody remember the fish.
Come back.
Yeah.
Fish, man.
Yeah man, once they know you're home, everybody have to check them.
I know. So might be a weekend and know we're gonna come. Yeah.
Alright people, so you see what time it is? Roast fish time.
Yes.
With Aunty Clair. Yeah. So make sure subscribe, like the video, share it.
Don't forget, touch the notice button, tell a friend,
hit that bell,
tell a friend, and hit the bell.
Alright people. So we're gonna say what? Bless upon yourself.
Yeah.
Once again,
see how me do it
bless
simple.
Upon yourself.
Yeah.
Roast fish.
That's how me do it, brother. Roast fish. Definitely roast fish, you know?
Some oil.
Yeah.
Butter.
Butter.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So me do it, man. Me throw oil and butter in this.
Yeah.
So it seasons up. Well, stuffy, you know? So So when you put it on it, and if you grill, you go grill it. You don't need to go season again. You know, see, me already have the season set on a pot already.
Yeah, man, everything is prepared for you. It's just prepared. You bring this home, put it in the oven, boom, you're good after that.
1, 2.
You have your roast fish ready.
And everybody stuff it away they still, you know, when you buy roast fish, you know. You get one okra, then then stuff it, and you get one okra in there. So, some people just think it hard to spend the money and buy things to put in a fish. You can't bother with that. I sell you one fish, I make you eat the fish and you can come back.
Of
you know?
course.
And that with Jamaican.
That's the best feeling.
They must sell you something, but here what they do. Cut it short way and make it thin, no gone. Yeah. If I sell you bread. Make you eat your fish and make it taste good.
Come on, of course. You gotta do something, you do it the right way.
Yes, man. Enough restaurant yes, I call me to come work with them, you know, but no. You see, when you work with Jamaican, you so like myself, the first thing they tell you when you do your work with them, you know. Yeah, and to me, if you get some money, you know, you come in, you know. Tomorrow, me give you your money, yeah? You would laugh. Me not do nothing for them, man. Me not do nothing for them, man. Me not care what nobody wants. Me not do nothing for them. Look what they have to myself, you know?
So you get that in the color.
You sell a store, man. Just cross the road there. Get the new color, though.
Over here, you have to make sure you find the
West Indian.
The West Indian store or the Asian supermarket. Then.
Yes.
See the Asian supermarket, them they will have everything will come from the island.
Yes, and they right across the road. Yeah.
So wherever you guys are, people, whoever is watching this, wherever you are, make sure you go to the West Indian store or the Asian supermarket. Then you can find most of the ingredients there when you put in the fish. So you see the callaloo, the fish.
Yeah, man.
See the whole process how to do it, right? Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, share it to your friends, your family, and hit the bell.
Yeah. Them too. Some in there so too, me just buy them too. Me have them, man.
Yeah, man. Hey,
them,
anytime we touch really nice see them, I have to get them. The plantain chips and the banana chips.
My grandkids then come, me just make everybody can get them too. You know, see it.
So you see that? Mommy just came back from Jamaica and Mommy brought real fish from Jamaica. You see this? This is not no play thing, you know. A real official thing, right?
Real official.
Real official.
Real fish, not deal with the fake fish there. We're freeze out.
No.
We're freeze out. We buy the fish outside boat.
See? Fresh off the boat.
But me have the video when me show them to Rico.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. The video did they when me show them when me have done a yard, you know. When
the real fish.
I scale my fish myself, you know. No, me scale it down to myself. No, me lock me shop and do what me I do. Yeah, it's not easy. Do what me I do by myself. That's me know me fish look after proper. Yeah.
But you have to make sure so you do some of this when you're in Jamaica too much.
You know,
you do, I know you do, but you have to make sure that you always do that when you're in Jamaica so they can eat that.
One fish.
Yeah.
Some man take fish. Me I beg you to carry home. No matter to me. I eat when I go eat.
Yeah.
There you go, fish, you know.
Yeah, man, people. Let me see it again. Recipe.
Yeah, man. Yeah, spinach and can put some in this here.
So, alright, tell them exactly what them can put. Say what them there, them not have no callaloo. What can they use in the fish?
You can use okra. And if you have spinach, you buy a pack of spinach and cut it up.
So you hear that? You
Yes.
guys can use the
Cut up
spinach
a
if
piece
you
of
don't.
sweet pepper if you want, bell pepper,
Yeah.
and onion, a piece of garlic, scallion, thyme, and you know your pepper after be in it, right?
Yeah.
And good to go. It's good to go.
You see that?
Like that.
Get your ingredients together.
Yes. And you're good to go.
Good.
Don't ever stop.
No.
This fish is delicious. When you eat it, you don't want to stop. Okay? So, people, try and just contact. Touch the YouTube. Touch the button.
Bless up on yourself, people, alright?
Bless a friend.
See, that's the end of it now. Last two
so
left.
So have the spinach and cut up. And put it in there. This is a factor. Yes. Yeah. You season them, cut them up, season them, and have them in there.
This is the ending result right here. One that's already wrapped, ready, put in the oven. Alright? See the oven? Wash them. Put this in the oven. You're good after that.
And bag you up, car. Sometimes I bag you up and call him, say come for your bag of spinach.
Yeah man, of course.
At all time.
Of course. So we're gonna sign out right now. Bless upon yourself, people. Tell everybody to bless them.
Yes, man. Bless yourself. I love you guys. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Aunty Clair do his roast fish.
Yeah.
You can see it. Jerk season.
Alright.
Okay.
All right, people.
Yes.
Subscribe. Bless. All right.
Jerk fish. Yeah. The butter in it. Yeah. Yeah, man. That's the way we do it. Lots of butter, oil, everything inside of this fish. You don't short of nothing. Okay? No short.